Hey there, Profit Pilot here. Today we're going to take a look at how to add a PIN and/or fingerprint password to your Trading 212 app to add another layer of safety to your Trading 212 account. So the first step is to open the Trading 212 app. After it is finished loading, go to your account menu by tapping the three horizontal lines icon on the bottom right hand corner of your screen. Now scroll down and tap on Settings. This will open a new menu. Go to your passcode lock and tap on it. Now tap on the blue text that says Turn Passcode On. Now the app will prompt you to choose a 4-digit passcode and make you confirm it by dialing it once more. After this, you have successfully set up a PIN passcode for your Trading 212 app. You can also decide how soon the app will ask you to enter your passcode again after exiting the app. The default setting will make you put the passcode in immediately after you exit the app, but you can extend this up to 4 hours. Do keep in mind though that the shorter the time interval you choose, the more secure your account will be. For demonstration purposes, I left it on immediately, close and reopen the app. As you can see, it prompted me to put in the passcode immediately after closing and reopening the app. Moving on to how you can enable a fingerprint password, you'll want to navigate to the same section as we did for the PIN passcode and tap on Enable Fingerprint. This will automatically detect and use the fingerprint that you might already be using to unlock your phone with, and may therefore not work with all smartphones. For demonstration purposes, I'll once again close and reopen the app to show you the fingerprint password. As you can see, the fingerprint password works, is quick and responsive. Just a few closing tips. I'd personally recommend anyone enables one of the 2 additional passwords, especially if you have or plan to build a big portfolio on Trading 212, as it adds an extra layer of safety that I'm surprised isn't activated by default on Trading 212, like with many online brokers. Finally, I'd also recommend you to maybe not use the same PIN passcode for your Trading 212 account as the one your phone has, and also consider only using fingerprint password if your fingerprint is the only one set up on your phone. That concludes the video. I hope it was helpful. Consider liking and subscribing as it helps the channel out. If there's any other tutorials you'd like to see, comment them down below. Thanks for watching and goodbye.